Okay, let's run some at these children's names. Lillian. O-E-O-E-A. Lillian. Oh, Lillian. O-E. Lillian. L-E-O-E-A. Lillian. O-E-O-E-A. Lillian. That's why we do it so many times, to double check. Lillian. O-E-O-E-A. Lillian. Okay, so we've got Lillian. Oh, we need a spare. O-E-O-E. Now, the children at the beginning would tend to use the blue cow if they do it themselves because they overpronounce, and they do use that sound, but we know technically it's the schwa, so let's just put the schwa there. O-E-O-E-A. Lillian. O-E-O-E-A. Lillian. Okay, so we know how it's spelled, so what's the picture? O, what's the picture? E, what's the picture? O, what's the picture? E, what's the picture? What's the picture? So we've got O-E-O-E-A. Lillian. Okay, let's do William. Let's just put them back in order. O, spare O, E, Lillian. Okay, William. W-E-O-E-A. William. W-E-O-E-A. William. W-E-O-E-A. William. W-E-O-E-A. William. Oh, I didn't play it on the app. W. Okay, so we've got W. E. O. E. William. W-E-O-E-A. William. Yes, and play it. So we've got
W-E-O-E-A.
William, and we had Lillian.
O-E-O-E-A.
Lillian and William. So what are the pictures of William for the sounds in William? W, E, O, E, so the schwa was an A in both William and Lillian. Okay, let's put them back. So we've got W, E, O, E, William. I need a rubber. And then we've got Kate. K-8. Kate, we always start with the sounds, even if we know how to spell it. K-8. Kate, K-8. Kate, K-8. Kate. A. Kate, K-8. Kate.
A.
Kate, and then we look here and we think, oh no, it's K-8. Kate. K-8. Kate. Okay, so we need to swap it around, don't we? Because it's going to be K-8 Kate. So the sound for this one, if we did, sorry, K, let's do it in order. A, T, K-8 Kate, but then the T jumps in the middle of that sound pick sandwich. So what's going to happen? Sorry, I do need a rubber. K, A, T, K, A, T. So we need K, A, T, Kate. It's difficult to do and it's a sound pick sandwich. But basically, if you're writing her name, she needs to have it as K. Remember, that's the A, T. So it needs to be written as K, A, T, Kate, like that. So you might want to just put the monsters for this. K, A, T, Kate.